Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 2025 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset on this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button, just tap and hold. And once you feel a smooth vibration, remove both fingers. You're in Fastboot mode now, and tap on OK on start to power it off again. And now just wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.